Today we're gonna be lighting off fireworks. Yeah, you hear loud stuff. Yeah, I know. Cause people are saying that one's cool. That sounded loud. I ran with the kid. Why does that sound like? Why does that sound like gunshots? Why does that scare me so badly?
Sparkle?
Yeah. Can we do another one?
Let me sparkle for you.
No.
You don't like sparklers?
Wait, sparkle?
Look at the way the sparkle.
Why is it not lighting? Can I hold it?
Oh, I felt like these are old.
Why are they old? Yeah, when we set off those ones, it sounded like gunshots. Why towards the street? Why are you getting close?
And why you on your phone trying to do fireworks?
Hey.
Recording them. Oh.
Yeah.
Excuse me.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, thank you. Okay. This thing getting too close.
I sure appreciate y'all having me here.
Okay, and it. Okay.
Sparkles.
It ended. Sing. This thing looks like burnt. It looks like a burnt hot dog, but kind.
I had those for years.
Ooh, those are things that keep pop, 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 pop.
Yeah, they sound like gunshots.
Ooh.
What do I do with this?
Just lay it down right here.
Yeah. So, lay it down. Yeah, lay it down. Please hope this thing doesn't hurt my ears. Because
What's that red thing you put out there in the street? Was that from us? Huh? I know that.
it was those.
That's where you last time.
Yeah, it sounded like gunshots. Don't know why.
Are you recording on your dad's phone?
No, this is my phone.
I know that ain't all of it.
Yeah.
That was
It was fast.
As long as that thing was.
Mm-hmm.
You would clean your trash.
Huh?
You would clean your trash.
yeah.
Oh, yeah. I'll scoop it out to the side.
Can we not do more of those? Please?
This was from a few years ago.
Yeah. Can we not do more of those because they're more.
All them you gonna fly?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Lord. We'll be here all We were here fireworks until 3, 4, 5 in the morning.
Wait.
That's it.
Are you
That's where I live at West End. Oh my gosh. Let's go to 3 weeks early, but it wasn't that much.
what's that for? Weak.
Weak.
Yeah. So. Never mind. That thing. I take everything what I said back. I take it. Never mind. It ain't weak. Cars. Watch out for that. Don't get hit by it. Why we're doing it out in the street? Nah. I take everything back what I just said. Never mind, it ain't weak. Still going? That thing's still going. Oh no. That. Oh my. Oh. Oh.
That reminds me of Harlem Nights.
That was great. That thing was like going all out. Like, nah, I'm not going. Oh god. You done? No.
Let's see what a tank do.
A tank, bro. That thing is gonna be probably weak. Wait, a tank. Wait, if that's the name.
Oh, weak.
Yeah. We want a better one.
We got mini shells.
Mini shells. What are those for?
You really see?
Oh, they probably gonna be big. Wait, mini shells? I think that's what they mean is mini shells. Wait, Dad, look on the back. Different type explosions. Wait. Oh nah, it better not be that big. So God, if it be so big, hope it does not. Oh, okay. That was one mini shell, and we got another one. We got another one. Go. Oh. Oh, cool. Wait. Just. Yeah. Hold up. Dang.
Sorry, Mom. You need to hit the car.
Wait, there's another mini shells. But tell me why we're blowing these off in the street.
We don't want them in the driveway.
Okay. Jeez. That was cool. Look at that firework over there. I wish mine was like that. Last one, and then wait, is that the last one?
Yeah.
Okay. I like that one. Let's get another one.
What's these?
What are those?
I don't know.
Hope they
We'll
better
find
not
out.
be those same ones that sound like gunshots. Okay, please. There's a kid crying. Wait. There's kids. There's families over there. Drop it.
That was weak.
I look like Super Saiyan. Never mind. Where are these ones?
These.
There's not. There's still more. Oh god. We're just going to do one, but never mind. Wait. If it's rainbow, why is it rainbow? Why is it rainbow?
I don't know.
Oh my gosh. Oh, you got
No, they make little sparklers.
sparkler. Weak. You know, sometimes little stuff can probably be sometimes powerful, you know?
Hey, they give you bottle rockets. They ain't even got bottles no more to hold these things.
Why not?
Huh? Yeah, I mean, but we used to use the glass bottles. Hey, we ain't doing no Roman candles.
What are those? What are those?
I don't know. We're going to find out.
Okay. Gee. Oh my god.
That was sorry.
What do you mean that was a sorry?
Now, this got to be a big solid bottle.
What about this one? What about this one?
No, those are Roman candles. We don't play with them.
Why we don't?
Because I've seen somebody's head get blown off with those.
Why? Roman can't. Someone's heads get blown. Someone's head got blown off. The
No boom?
no,
Yeah, that was it.
so weak. Why not the Roman candles?
We ain't gonna do no Roman candles.
Why not?
Because you gotta hold them in your hand. Those are
Oh.
dangerous.
Why you gotta hold them in your hands? But why do they still sell them? Is that cat? No, it better not be. Why two? Tell me why.
Fun.
Bruh. But why you have to hold the Roman candles? What if you just light and throw it? What if you can just hold? What if you can just light the Roman candles and just throw it?
You don't know what's gonna land or which one's gonna shoot.
Yeah. Oh no. Dang, they still going?
Enough for this little stuff.
I'm like, stop. Okay. Okay, this one. What is that one?
I don't know. We're gonna
Huh.
find out.
It has propellers. Oh no. It better not. I'm staying far back. I'm staying far back because. Oh my. So.
What is this?
What are those? Where is it? Oh.
That was weak.
Yeah.
Rabbit trash.
Huh? Yeah.
He rigged his over there.
Oh yeah, it was rigged.
Well, just keep going out to do different things. They went over to the light and everything. Ooh, this is gonna be a spectacular.
There's definitely a cricket near me. Oh, it's so cool.
The last three came out like together.
And it fell over after that.
Oh.
All right, man. Let's see what the Raging Rottweilers do.
The Ragers.
Raging Rottweiler. That was a Raging Rottweiler.
Bruh. Why the Raging Rottweiler? What's that one? It's probably the confetti bomb. Stand back. It's a fountain, bruh. Why'd you the fountain? It fell over. Imagine that thing just fell over to me. Yes. thunder. I think. Don't know. Please don't accidentally whip this in my car. Yeah.
Grab the big boys.
The what?
You got 4 more. You know, you got a whole bunch of these.
What happened to that bag?
6 shells. 2.
Well, that bag's not on the ground. Is that
Oh, it's trash. Grab it. Grab it.
This. Stuff is right here. Yeah. Why the big boys?
I'm getting sleepy.
Huh?
I'm getting sleepy.
I'm thirsty. I felt something.
Taco Tuesday.
I felt something touch me. Like a second. We got the big boys coming out. So, I don't know about those, but I'm just gonna get a drink.
Alright.
Okay, I'm back. What is my dad going to Yeah. This is gonna be cool. Okay. Ain't that smoke? Actually, I just felt it from all the way here.
Yeah.
That was cool. Wait, can we do the one more? Yeah.
Huh?
Let's do the one more.
Last one of these.
Yeah.
Oh, this one, that's it.
Why are you gonna record this one yourself? And why does it smell like burnt hot dogs? That was so cool. Wait, the last one. Wait, why is it thin? Wait, green. Should we do this one?
With slow motion.
Not slow motion. Well, who cares? This day is the best. Should we do this one? It says rained. Should we do that one? Or not?
Huh?
Should we do that one or not?
You ready to do it?
Well, it says rained.
Put this one. Try not to get hit by fireworks. Knife. Yeah. We'll be it after this. We'll be it after this.
What you gonna do with our loads?
Right?
Are you gonna throw them away?
Mm-hmm.
No, gonna save him
Save him for what?
for the next July 4th.
Okay, he's a bigger than the last one.
Right here. That was cool. What? Oh my gosh, this is so cool. One, wait, is this the last one? I forgot. No. Oh no, it's not. They're competing with us.
Yeah. That's what we doing for over.
We only got last 2 more. 1, 2. Number 2 is going in the flare. Don't almost touch me. Last one. I don't know if we might do more or not. Well, we will be back in that. I don't know why I still have this. I was going cooking. So, it is. yeah. So that was the end of the video. Bye.